Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook Air A1932. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MacBook Air A1932 won't turn on, it can be a frustrating experience. This issue often arises from a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or internal hardware problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications, potentially resulting in data loss or more expensive repairs. To begin this repair, you'll need a few tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by ensuring your MacBook Air is turned off and unplugged. Use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom case. Carefully lift off the bottom case using the plastic spudger to avoid damaging any clips. Once inside, inspect the battery and the power connector for any visible damage. The most common fault is a loose battery connection. Gently disconnect the battery by lifting the connector from the logic board. If it appears damaged, you may need to replace it. To replace the battery, unscrew it using the T5 Torx screwdriver and carefully lift it out. Take your new battery and align it correctly before securing it in place with the screws. Reconnect the battery connector firmly to the logic board. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, it's important to check the power adapter. Make sure it's working properly by testing it with another compatible device. Once everything is in place, gently reattach the bottom case and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your MacBook Air to ensure it starts up correctly. If it does, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the health of your battery and avoid letting it drain completely. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.